Hi guys, I am back with another video, and today I will be doing an unboxing and assembling of this Disney Princess Mercedes 6-volt ride-on car. This Disney Princess ride-on car is a 6-volt vehicle. Yes, it does not have a remote control, but it does have a battery, and the children can ride on it and it moves just fine. This vehicle is so awesome. My daughter has been riding it every day. Like, she literally loves it. Now, I'm going to be doing an unboxing today, and that way you guys will be able to also see how I assembled it as well. So I will show you all of the pieces, how it looks when it comes out of the box, and then I will also show you how I easily assembled it. Okay guys, so now that we are done with the unboxing and unpackaging, we are now about to get started with assembling. Now, first we are going to do the wheels. Now you want to make sure that you have the drive wheel, because there is a separate wheel, and that is the drive wheel. So you want to put that to the side because you would not be using that right away. But when you follow the manual, it will also let you know how to identify which one is the drive wheel. Now you do still have to take off a few things before you can take the wheels and put them on there. Now also, before you put the wheels on, there's going to be some screws, and you're going to have to take the screws off at the end before you put the wheels on. Okay, so you see that wheel right there on the side? That has a label. It has a white label right there. That is going to be your drive wheel. And you're going to put that back there, right there where I just placed it. Okay, so there is 2 black pieces that come with your toolkit, and then you're going to use those to tighten the back of your wheels. But you want to do it at the same time, but you want to do it going the opposite way on each side. Now, I show you here in the video that I go one way and the other way at the same time. That way you can tighten the back wheels. Everything else is pretty simplified from here. You do have your screws in your wheel that you have to unscrew so that you can screw it in place. But other than that, everything else is usually just pressing it in so that you will be able to place them accordingly. And then after that, I will also show you how you are supposed to charge it and how you are supposed to place the seat. Then there is also the doors. You do have to put screws in the doors so that once you put in the side windows, you want to be able to screw those in tightly within the door, and you would do that with the screws. So I'm going to be starting to do that right now. Okay, so this does come with some tools, but you will need your own screwdriver.
charger right here. And so it connects to connector A. This here, which is the other one. I do it like that and it connects. So now when you charge it, I'm gonna take this piece with the white piece, and you want to connect them. Red light right here on the back. And they say do not charge it longer than 18 hours.
Okay guys, that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Comment below if you have any questions. Be sure to subscribe and have an awesome day.